Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It. As part of the Python interview question series, I will discuss the solutions to the important and tricky Python questions asked during the interview process. Okay, without delay, let's jump into the main part of this video. Okay, the question asked here is to split a given string without using the split. Let's try to solve this. Let's try to understand what actually the split is and what it does. For this I am taking a string, hi, how are you? When you apply split on this string, it will split the string into list items. Let's see what actually it does for this string. SPLIT. Actually, the default parameter for this split is space, but we don't need to specify that. We can just leave it like this, and I am trying to print the var. You can see the split function splitted the input string based on the spaces, and we got a list with the items, hi, how are you? Now we can specify other parameters also. I am giving O and see how the output will be. So the input string is splitted based on the letter O, and now hi space H is one list item, and this is one list item, and U is the last list item. This is how the split will behave. Now going back to our question, the question is to split the given string without using the split and without using any predefined library function. Okay, so what the question is about is we should not be using the split or any other method, any other built-in methods. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am just going to explain you how the string will be iterated in the for loop. For item in str print item. Okay, now I will explain you the logic. What I am going to do is I will be creating one empty string, str1 equal to empty string, and each time this loop iterates, whenever the item is having a character other than space, it will be added to the str1. So when itm is not space, itm will be added to str1. Okay, next I will have one more variable which is a list 1, and it is empty. So what actually I will do is when I get item as space, that means that str1 is having one word or a letter. So there I need to split, and I have to add it to a list, and it will become a list item. So what I will do, when I get space, it should be added to list 1. Okay, using this logic, let's try to solve the given condition. What I'm going to do is, if item is not equal to space, then okay, first I need to define one empty string str1 equal to str1 plus item. Okay, else that means that item is having the value space. Now the str1 should be added to the list1. Okay, first I need to create an empty list. List1 equal to list1 plus str1. But one thing you should remember is we cannot add a string to the list. Let's understand what I am saying. ABC. Now I am trying to add a string directly. Hi. You cannot add, cannot concatenate, can only concatenate list, not string to the list. We cannot concatenate string to the list. That is what it is saying. So what I will do is, I will do like this: ABC plus hi. So what I am doing is I am making it a list of the string. Okay. Now let's print list1. This is not the complete solution, but let's try to understand where we are. Okay. Two things here. First one is hi is repeated here and hi how are repeated here. It should be like hi, only hi in the first item, how in the second item, or in the third item, and fourth item is missing. Why this is? Because I will tell you. So here in this iteration, when str gets added to the list1, the str1 is still holding the previous value. It is not cleared. So what we have to do is, after adding it to the list1, str1 should be emptied. Let's print. Yeah. Now we are missing u. That is because this is okay. Let's understand what str is, whether str is having the u or not. Here I print str1. Okay, you can see str1 is having u, but it is not added into the list1. Why? That is because after u we are not having the space to make this condition hit. When the else portion, when we enter inside the else portion only, the string which is having the u will be added to the list1, but we don't have the space after u. So alternately what we can do is, at the end we can write one condition: if str1 is not empty, that means it is having some data, then we can add str1 to the list1. That's it. Okay, I will remove this print. So this is how it works, and we have checked the split with O, right? Let's check this also. Yeah, this is also working fine. Now we will make everything into one function. We'll make it as a function which will take input as the string and the splitted item, what need to be splitted. It can be space, or it can be O, or it can be anything else. Def split string input string separated. By default I am giving the space, we don't need this here. And here I will keep the SCP return list 1. Okay, return val equal to this is my string, by default the separation will be with the space. Okay, let's try to see. Yeah, I forgot to print return val. Okay, now let's split it with O. Yeah, this is how you can solve the given question. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. You can ask me any other Python question for the solution. I will try to explain that problem in my later videos. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.